All right, well, hello again. I'm Joanne Muller from Axios. I just wanted to add 2 cents about that panel on trust in autonomous vehicles because I think it's so key to the future. And my feeling is as people drive some of the assisted driving features, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, those are the building blocks that people will begin to get more used to that, and gradually they'll build trust for our autonomous future. But now, as you can tell, I've been joined on stage by something far more interesting than me, so it's time for the Karma press conference.
Please welcome to the stage, Chief Executive Officer, Dr. Lance Zhou.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much. On behalf of Karma family, welcome. Since our birth, 5 years ago, we have been working to build our company and perfect our craft. The road to Karma has brought us to a time of emergence, where our path forward can be shown in great detail. First, we are Southern California's creator of luxury vehicles and the only brand building cars in Southern California. And this is very important, Karma is more than just a car company. We are a high-tech incubator, an open platform, a test bed for emerging innovation, a partner to others. Our approach recognizes a changing industry and differs from the traditional automotive model focused on just retail sales. Karma Automotive is part of a larger family business unit, creating revenue streams for the Karma Group. Our siblings include Karma Technology, Karma Design, Karma Innovation and Customization, Karma Capital. Our path to future success combines 2 platforms with 2 core technologies and 5 intelligent ecosystems. Karma's 2 platforms include one already in market, our 2020 Unveil GT, and a performance version of that car that we will show you in a few minutes. Our second platform is Karma's Project Eclipse. It's an all-electric global platform that will produce several different models. The first will be ready in 2021. Our core technologies include both BEVs and EREVs. While we embrace an all-electric future, but Karma cannot ignore the benefits extended range powertrains provide. That's why we are using a pickup truck as a platform to prove Karma's erect powertrain conversion resources. This proof of concept will show how flexible and viable erect technology is across a wide range of vehicles, especially for the utility market. And it will demonstrate what Karma technology can do for other companies. Karma's 5 intelligent technology ecosystems include the Karma Skateboard, a modular platform for both back and erect propulsion systems. Karma Cockpit, an immersive and personalized environment. Karma Car Net, securely connect with the power of 5G. And Karma Drive, passive, active, intelligent safety features and autonomous technologies. Karma Cloud, Karma Computing, data integration and AI. These ecosystems will be where we plant our competitive flag to achieve our business goals and establish our long-term value. Karma's key advantage over others, talking about similar technologies, includes fully certified products, a fully operational manufacturing facility, and a complete line of engineering and design resources and key components. There's a lot of good Karma right here in Southern California. Karma will continue to create the beautiful cars we have been best known for. That is Karma. Here is Tom George, our VP of Engineering. He will talk about Karma more for all your customers. Please.
Dr. Lance. Thank you. Thanks, everyone, and thank you for attending. We appreciate it very much. Today is a very exciting day for Karma Automotive. Yes, our path to success is based on innovation and licensing our technology, but we are still a car company, and here's an example of that. Thank you. This is our new Karma Rivero GTS. This stunning car is crafted by world-class artisans in our $100 million facility in Moreno Valley called our Karma Innovation and Customization Center, what others would call an assembly plant. It's located close to our engineering facility, so it's very economical. The GTS has a completely re-engineered all-electric powertrain and a more refined, more efficient 3-cylinder range extender. After extensive review, we selected the BMW engine as the optimal choice to support a new and more powerful high voltage NMC lithium-ion battery, as well as a transversely mounted twin motor rear drive module. That combination gives us up to 360 miles of total range. Inclusive in that is 80 miles of pure electric driving. It also gives you HOV lane access. The dual electric motors generate 536 horsepower, taking this car from 0 to 60 in 3.9 seconds with a top end speed of 130 miles per hour. This is a car that really is as fast as it looks. Electronic torque vectoring uses our traction motors to provide improved performance, more grip, better handling, enhanced stability with segment-leading wheel torque. The dynamic performance of this vehicle is recognized in the industry as a leader, and it shows how far our company has come. Our new launch mode brings that improved performance to life and will have special appeal to driving enthusiasts. When launch mode is activated, the generator starts the range extender to provide maximum power. When the Revero GTS says it's ready, release the brake, keep the accelerator pinned, and the generator and the battery unleash their power to the twin motor drive unit. The instrument panel speedometer simultaneously turns into a stopwatch and shows elapsed time after the Revero GTS reaches 60 miles per hour. We've also made major NVH improvements, which include a hydraulic engine mount that isolates powertrain to provide a smooth, refined driving experience. The engine has a throaty, sporty sound, and that's the result of an all-new exhaust system. Karma developed its own inverters to maximize efficiency in both motoring and regeneration, and maintain full software control and quickly deployable continued improvements. Our car is fully connected, which also allows those improvements to be rolled out to the customers via secure over-the-air software updates. That's something that we think the customer truly appreciates because it's personal and very special to them. We also believe the twin motor drive units have commercial viability outside of our company, and that's an important fact reiterated by Dr. Lance. Our car is fully connected, which allows those improvements to be rolled out to customers via secure over-the-air software updates. That's something we think contributes to an ownership experience that's personal and special. Roll it. We also believe the twin motor drive unit has commercial viability outside the company. As part of a strategy to create new open platform revenue streams, we will license the technology. There is much more to the GTS story. That includes an incredible sound system from our proprietary 7.1 channel, 570 watt RMS Soloscape audio system. It can be tailored 3 ways to match occupant preferences. We even developed our own radio station broadcasting music and vehicle use tips to our owners. Our path forward will combine technology with design to create new mobility experiences powered by artificial intelligence, driver monitoring, interior sensing, connectivity, and cloud computing. This is best explained by Andreas Turner, Karma's VP of Global Design and Architecture, and demonstrated by new concepts from his team like this one.
Well, thank you very much, Todd. Todd has talked about Karma of today, and I'd like to talk about Karma of tomorrow. Karma SC2 shows our passion for Southern California and our futuristic vision based on a solid foundation. It shows what can be achieved when form and function are in harmony. But let's take a closer look. We used Karma's twin drive module for the front and for the rear. We designed an all-new battery, I-shaped battery, with a very, very good balanced center of gravity. SC2 is all about the drive. It is inspired by the outstanding driving performance of GTS. We made it our mission to see how far we could take a street-going hypercar with our in-house design and IP. The result is spectacular. 1,100 horsepower, 10,500 pound-foot of total real torque in 0 to 60 in less than 1.9 seconds, and 350 miles of pure electric range. SC2 is one of the most extreme and dynamic road-going cars on Earth. It's laid out in Southern California. It's a champion in hill climbing and canyon driving. Four-wheel drive, torque vectoring, a very low center of gravity, carbon brakes ensure very little unsprung weight, and push-rod operated suspension enable a very low hood and a great overview. But SC2 is as well a signpost of Karma's future design language. The front shows the future face of Karma Automotive, futuristic, focused, and unique. The silhouette of any Karma in future will be clearly recognizable through outstanding stance and proportion. SC2 embodies Karma's distinct design identity in surface and signature. Future mobility absolutely can be breathtaking. And SC2 is much more than that. Karma invented Drive and Play, a technology that offers an entirely new dimension to the driving experience. Now, imagine you are on the perfect drive, the perfect flow. You're driving a track or you're driving a canyon. You want to capture this once-in-a-lifetime experience. You have now the option to record this experience, not only the image surrounding you, but as well the sound, the motion, the light situation, the scent, the complete package. When you get home, either the same day or even years later, you can re-experience that same drive. You can not only re-experience your own experiences, your own drive, you can share your drive and play experiences with others. You can stream on some of the world's most famous roads and tracks. You can drive on Monaco, you can drive the Nürburgring, you can drive live F1 races, you can drive in the past against Sterling Moss or Fangio. You can race with your friends around the world the 24 hours of Le Mans and race against Steve McQueen. So reality and virtual reality are merging together. And now comes another really truly valuable aspect. While simulating gaming collected data, whatever brings you the perfect flow, what brings you this perfect stress level can be brought back into the real world driving. So you can be activated in the real world driving, and that is a huge benefit for us. In the exterior, radars, lidars, sensors not only allow autonomous driving functionality, but as well capture all the images. Now, at the same time, they're recording the images, and again, what I mentioned before, all the other aspects, light, sound, wind. SC2 is a bold Californian identity. To celebrate the outstanding capabilities and the very special sense of occasion when you approach it, we invented a very majestic multi-hinged scissor door inspired by the aviation industry surrounds us in California. Inside the cabin, further sensors and actuators enhance the user experience. In driving position, our focus was centered around the steering wheel, so you never need to take your hand off the wheel while driving. We developed 3D capacitive switches, which we already offer in GTS, and we're the first ones doing that. Also, we designed ultrasonic sensor stalks and pedals which activate launch control and operate dynamic region pedal. And you can imagine what forces you can feel through your hand breaking down and what balances must have. Absolutely amazing. So this will enable a totally new driving experience. And you might want to test this before you actually take it to the track. So drive and play. Karma SC2 shows how interaction of technology, innovation and design can transform one signature experience into next level of product offering. Key is to know the customer and to deliver a memorable experience. Dr. Lance and Todd, now it's time for you to return back to the stage, and I'd like to invite all of you to the stage to have a closer look at GTS and SC2. Thank you very much.
Good luck.
So we just wrapped up the press conference for the Karma SC2. Car is absolutely gorgeous and will be here on display in Los Angeles until December 1st. So if you want to see it for yourself, check out the link down below on how to get tickets and come to the LA Auto Show.